everyday Carlson, and you've probably heard me say that if you open up my kitchen cupboards, I only have gallons of water below my sink, no chemicals. I'm going to show you why. This is just toasted sesame oil from Trader Joe's, or you can use any plain sesame oil to do this test. And we're just going to use a little bit of the oil to represent grime, oils, things like that in your carpeting or in your kitchen, specifically where you would normally use chemicals to break up or clean with. What we have here is we're going to test to see, this is our tap water. Yep, our tap water, I believe Scripps Ranch tap water, and we're going to see if it can clean oil. And the way we'll be able to tell is it will break up the oil. If it is not breaking up the oil, it's going to sit on the top. Do you see that, how it's sitting on the top? We cannot clean with water. Thus, people normally fill their homes with chemicals. Have you seen the side effects for chemicals? Horrible. So many studies showing it's very harmful for your pets, your children, and your family. So we switched over to vinegar. Oh, that's vinegar. Our whole house smells like a pickle when we clean with vinegar. But let's see how well we're breaking up oil with vinegar. Maybe I wasn't cleaning as well as I thought. It's definitely breaking up a little bit better than tap water, but not much. Since we switched to Kangen over 5 years ago, we haven't even needed to use chemicals, synthetic synthetic chemicals or vinegar or things like that to clean with. This is our 11.5 Strong Kangen Water. Press of a button and watch this. It emulsifies oil, turning it almost into milk. It's so awesome, you guys. Go green, help the environment, get rid of pesticides, chemicals, pesticides from your produce, chemicals from your home. Do good for your body, for your pets, for the environment. You know how much I love the water to drink and how much it's helped my family and helped me. Next year I'll be a half a century old, you guys. This water is awesome for anti-aging, to drink it. This one we don't drink, but actually, I'm going to show you how safe it is. I don't really want to drink any vinegar, and we're not supposed to drink this water, but here's how safe it is. It's so awesome. Emulsifies oil, super safe, go green.